YouTube. I'm here at Subway with, and he's having what kind of sub are you having?
I'm having tuna sub
Yeah.
with tomato, lettuce, and mayo,
Yeah.
and Coke for drinks.
And I'm having, and and I'll put the, anyways, we're just waiting for our other friend Josh who he got off of work. And I'll put the link to his channel in the description below. Anything else you want to say?
Joshua and I are going to play Call of Duty when we get back from bowling.
With schedule?
Nope. With one of his buddies from co-worker.
A non-YouTuber.
Probably. But I want to see if Mr. Hamilton is going to record the whole thing.
I can't.
Maybe not, but I can. So I'll record it and put it on YouTube when I have a chance.
Okay. Talk to you later, YouTube.